Hello, welcome to Tony Tuesday. Today we're going to show you how to clean basically the interior of the car, all your crevices such as around the radio. So what we have here is what we call a detail brush. You also can use a toothbrush, that works good. This is a coarse brush with longer bristles that can fit in between the cracks. So what you do, all this is a little cup of water. You dip your brush in the water, get excess water out, and just go around all your cracks. Don't worry about the excess water, because when you get through doing that, all you do is take a microfiber cloth and wipe right behind it. It might look smeared, but within a couple seconds, that will dry. And that'll remove all dust. So that's my Tony Tuesday tip for today. I'll see you next week.